With a clear focus on selfies and design, OPPO launched the all-new F7 in India. The design goes all in on the trend of maximizing the display with a 6.23-inch full-screen panel. The device has a 19:9 aspect ratio, and yes, there's a notch at the top within which is a 25 megapixel front-facing camera. Does the screen look good? It sure does. Despite the minimal time we had, we observed that the screen goes bright enough and the viewing angles are as great as you can expect from a high-end phone. No, we still do not like the notch. Below the screen you'll observe a chin that breaks the illusion of symmetry, and there's minimal bezels all along on the sides. Further on, the left side of the phone has the volume rockers. We love the fact that OPPO has got dedicated dual SIM slots and a microSD card slot on the right side of the phone. Finally, along the bottom is a 3.5mm audio jack, a speaker grill and the micro USB port. While the world has moved on to Type-C, OPPO for some reason is still using a micro USB connector on their top-end device. The back of the OPPO F7 is ultra glossy and you're going to have an extremely hard time keeping it clean. Up top is a 16 megapixel rear-facing camera with an LED flash and an f1.8 aperture. In the center is the fingerprint sensor. Now the OPPO F7 ships in solar red, moonlight silver and a particularly stunning diamond black variant. Coming to the software, the MediaTek Helio P60 processor and 4GB of RAM power ColorOS 5.0, which is based on Android 8.1. Now this is anything but a stock-like experience, and it means that you get a whole lot of added features and a very different interface experience. There's added features like the ability to clone apps, put files in a secure locker and much more. The 12nm MediaTek processor keeps everything running blazing fast, and the added NPU on the other hand certainly comes in handy with all the AI features that are built into the camera. To name some, the camera can identify 296 points on your face and use beautifying features on the basis of skin tone and skin type. The OPPO F7 is priced at Rs 21,990 for the 4GB RAM and 64GB variant, while the 6GB RAM and 128GB variant is somewhat pricey at Rs 26,990. But we'll be testing out the device soon enough to see how well it can hold its own against the competition. This was Dhruv Putani from PhoneArena.com. Thanks for watching.